Discord app stuck on connecting screen on iPhone fix. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. If your Discord app is stuck on connecting, then let's go ahead and fix it. The first and foremost thing that you can do is change the DNS server. To change, launch the settings application on your device and tap on Wi-Fi. Now tap on the info button beside the Wi-Fi you are connected to. Tap on Configure DNS. The default setting for Configure DNS is automatic, but go ahead and select Manual and now remove all the existing DNS servers first and then tap on Add Server and add Google DNS Server, that is 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Tap on the Save button now. Open Discord and see if the issue was fixed. If not, in Settings again tap on General and then tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find the Discord option there and tap on that. You will see the Offload App option. Go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Reinstalling the app will make sure that an updated version is installed, which will further fix bugs in the app. Do not worry because offloading the app will just delete the app and keep its documents and data. Doing this will free up storage used by the app and will fix it further. If it is still not fixed, you can also try to switch between networks. That is, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi. Lastly, open App Store and search for Discord. Check if the app requires any update. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to perform smoothly, and your Discord should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.